Welcome. Today, we will show you how to send a video with text on Facebook chat group on your PC with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening facebook.com on your web browser. Enter the website address in the search bar and hit Enter to access Facebook. Step 2. Click on the Messenger icon located at the top right corner of the Facebook page. This will open the Messenger interface for you to use. Step 3. Open any chat group on Facebook that you wish to send a video with text in. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation. Step 4. Look for the photo and video icon at the bottom of the chat window, positioned next to the text box. If you do not see these options, click on the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal additional options. Step 5. Select the video you want to send by clicking on it. Then, click on the Open button to attach the video to your message. Step 6. Write the desired note or message to accompany the video. Once you have composed your message, click on the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a video with text on Facebook chat group on PC. Keep your group interactions lively, express yourself creatively, and make your group chats more interactive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Explore the new features and functionalities of Facebook chat group for a richer social networking experience.